Welcome back. Now let's cover how to log in to the VX Uploader to do what it is that you'll need to do going forward. So first you're going to want to find your VX Uploader window and click the Login button. This will open up a window in your preferred web browser once you hit confirm, and all you'll need to do is log in to your account. After you have successfully logged in, if you go back here, you will see that your account controls will change to the option to log out, upload, or update. Now, primarily within this tutorial, we'll be covering the uploading process, but all you're going to want to do here is when you click upload, you'll find the asset bundles that you have uploaded in here. If you have none, you will see this screen here. If you have uploaded or have any to update, you will see the list of the assets that you have updated, and you can use the back and next buttons here to go through the page, and any asset bundles that you currently have uploaded on your machine you can find here to then update them there. We will go into further details on this process in a future tutorial video. Alright, so with that, thank you so much. Please join us on our next video where we will cover how to upload and the settings for utilizing the VX Packager for your assets. Thank you.